Students, I hope you all are doing fine. Take your moral science book, page number 25, chapter 5, A Good Leader. In this chapter, you will learn value thought leadership, then life skill develop self-awareness, coping with the emotions, coping with the stress, effective communications, and creative writing. Let us read the golden words. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the ways, and shows the way. A leader is one who knows the ways, goes the ways, and shows the way. By John Maxwell. So let us see, start the class. A good leader is a person who inspires people and makes them perform great tasks. A good leader either has initiate leadership qualities or he acquires them through experiences of life. Here, who is a good leader? A good leader means who inspires people. So a good leader means people always inspire that good leader activities, performance, great task, everything. A good leader either have to whatever you have to initiate leadership quality. We need to initiate leadership qualities and through his experience of life. According to the American author Napoleon Hill, a good leader has the following qualities. These are all qualities of the good leader. Unwavering courage. He stands courageously in all situations. He is well aware of the fact that courage is essential for success. If any good leadership quality you need means he stands courageously. Courage is very, very important. Bold enough. Courage is essential for our success. Even in our life, now, up and down will come, opposition will come, always happy will not be there. So we have to courage enough to face all the situations. Then self-control, he has full control over his emotions. Even if he becomes angry, he does not lose politeness and decency. He always act in a disciplined way. So self-control is very, very important for being a good leader. So even emotions, he has to control over emotion. If you are getting angry also in front of him, so don't lose your politeness and always discipline way only. So these are all essential. A pleasing personality. He is hardworking and a man of character. He is a good orator and knows how to influence people. Because being a good leader, how to influence, how to catch in the heart of people, how to interfere in the heart of the people, how to influence people. So pleasing, so always pleasing character, personality it is that way. A keen sense of justice. He is just and judicious towards his followers. He does not favor or discriminate people on the basis of caste, creed, gender and etc. So just a truthful person. He has to follow the truth. He is not suppose he does not favor of any discriminate. Discriminate here means caste. Oh, he belongs to my caste. Gender. No, he is a just. He is a follow justice only. Definiteness of plans. He makes good plans and implement them with intelligence and enthusiasm. He does not change his plan every now and then. If you are making one plan, good plans and implement. Before before implements plan, you have to think about that good plans. It is possible whether it is suitable for people. Everything you have to analyze, scrutinize. Then only you have to implement that plan. Definiteness of decision. Then decision making. After thinking and going through all relevant aspects, he takes firm decisions. He does not change his decision. Very often, if you are changing your opinion, decisions frequently, it is not at all good. Once you decide means you have to follow that. So before taking decision, you have to think about. You have to go through all relevant aspects. After that, you have to take the firm decisions. Willingness to assume full responsibility. He takes the responsibility for a particular task. He knows that it is his duty to accomplish that particular goal. So responsibility is very, very important. If you are assume full responsibility, then sympathetic and understanding. He is sympathetic considered towards his supporters. And understand, you have to understand your followers' problems. And he does not expect too much from his followers. Don't expect from your followers. Whatever you have to do, you have to do it. Mastery of detail. He is well aware of the relevant, intricate details. His knowledge of the concerned aspect is complete. So these are all the qualities of the being a good leader. If you want to become a good leader, you have to follow all these qualities are very, very important. Let us read the one story, the real leader. Once upon a time, a king has his two sons to build two large aqueducts to supply water to his country estates, which were in a poor state due to great drought. So their two sons, one king is there, he had two sons. So they are planning all the time when rain is not there, these poor people suffering because of this water drought. He allotted a time of maximum 2 years. The elder son took part of his father's riches and part of the army. With them, he traveled north and he ordered the people of those lands to work hard on building the aqueduct. He supervised the work very carefully, paid the villagers fairly, and finished the project within 2 years. Proud of his work. But he returned to the palace one day to find the palace in the midst of celebration for the coming crowning of younger brothers as the king. He was told that his younger brother had taken only 1 year to build his certificate in the south. He managed to the job with hardly with any soldiers or money. This seems so strange. The elder brother, he began to investigate the southern adequate. When he found amounted to more than a few irregularities, he returned to balance and requested the father to avoid the madness of making his brother the king. Why do you say that? Is there something I should know? You know how much I love my brother, but he must gone crazy. He has tracked our good name through the gutter. He built his aqueduct debating from the plans. Finally, he confirmed the prime minister in front of the villagers. He left without paying any of the workers. He even used a few of your soldiers as laborers. The king cast at her elder son affectionately said, "My son, what you said is true one. Your brother had the intelligence to modify the attitude to improve it. He had the wisdom to propose something new which could improve the lives of all." So he himself, he convened the villagers to work hard and to do without pay. He had the courage to confirm the prime minister to defend justice. So charisma. So to set his soldiers to work even more hours than the villagers. His commitment was so great. So he himself, who worked the hardest on the project, forgetting his princely state. This is why everyone adores your brother and would do anything what he asked them to do. He is now more than their king because he has become their king. Hearing his father's word, the elder brother realized the greatness of his younger brother and ran to congratulate. So this is the way. So as a leader means you have to, if they are giving the chance being a leader, you have to follow and you have to think about all the qualities. After that you have to implement as a younger brother. So this is the story. So that's all for today class. You have to do the homework, filling the blanks, you have to do it, and life situation activities, all these you have to do it yourself, even question answer also. After complete your work and send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a nice day.